Let me introduce you to Unit 20611 Rebecca Street. This one-bedroom condo has large windows and high ceilings and is close to many trendy restaurants in the downtown Hamilton area. Let's go inside and take a look. One of my favorite things about this unit are the high ceilings and the large windows, both of which make it feel like there's a lot of space in this unit. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Unit 20611 Rebecca Street in Hamilton. If you want to see this property for yourself, give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.